Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can buy Solana on Revolut. It's very straightforward and can be done in a few steps. First of all, you have to download the Revolut application in your Android or iOS, or you can just sign up with the website. Now you have to sign up for free account if you don't already have one. Now go to top up your balance. Now add money to your Revolut account using debit card or bank transfer. You can also use existing crypto balance if available. Now choose Solana. Yeah, now you have to choose Solana. Navigate to the crypto section in the app. Tap on Discover and scroll down to find Solana. Now click on the Solana to view details and price chart. Now you have to buy Solana. Tap the buy button. It will be in the bottom. Enter the amount of Solana you want to purchase. You can choose from different order types like market order or recurring buy. Now stop order or limit order. Now you have to review your order details and confirm the purchase. So this is how you can buy Solana in Revolut. If this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.